Welcome to Northwest Gun Reviewers. My name is Derek. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Adaptive Tactical S Performance Light Forend for the Mossberg 500, 88, 590. They also make this for the Remington 870. We're going to go over a few stats that are on the box. Includes the Forend, the light, and the Forend cap. It's rugged, designed for versatility, optimized for shotguns. 12 gauges, 300 lumen light, lasts for 4.7 hours, 3 illumination features, momentary on and strobe, 2-inch picatinny rail, and the Mossberg and Remington 12 gauge shotguns available. Let's get to the unboxing. First end, you get the Forend. It includes the batteries. You get an instruction manual. Here is the Forend cap, just in case you don't want to have the light on your shotgun. They do include that. One set of batteries. Magazine tube adapter for the Mossberg. Does include the install tool. You have your Forend, your 300 lumen light with a quarter turn here. Does come off. This is waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. Look for a few weeks here for the full review. This is adaptivetactical.com. You can pick this up. It's a third of the price of what the competitors sell theirs for. We will also be doing a full Adaptive Tactical Mossberg 500 build. So look for that in the next couple weeks. That's what includes in the package. You have your Forend, your light, manual, and your desk cover, along with your install tool. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button down below. For future content, subscribe to the channel. We will be doing more in the future here with Adaptive Tactical. Thank you for watching and have a great day.